That looks wrong.
Huh? What? What?
That doesn't look right.
I've seen pictures on magazines like this. Exhaust out the left.
Have you?
Yeah.
Hmm.
I just figured that the picture flopped upside down in the picture, but
Oh.
I've actually seen bikes made that way too. You like it this way better?
Yeah, it probably work a little better
I don't know about that.
for what we got going here.
Okay, go ahead and start your bolt. Okay, where's that nasty bolt there? You don't want to, you want to hide it. I don't think that's hiding it though, right there in the front. You want to hide it there? It's kind of in the front. You know a better place for this?
Probably up here on this side.
That's a good place too, or at least in the back corner back here. We can't see it behind it. Well, it crap.
Yeah.
Use a coil back here, hiding it. Right between the V. I got an extra one.
Okay.
Hopefully this holding back.
Oh. That might work.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, we'll use this new fancy wrench. Oh, these have both studs in it too. Good. So I go hunting for studs for a while. Remember where the heel coil one's out, so we can make sure we over torque it.
I don't know if it's the front or the rear head.
You can do that. Stay back the camera quick.
Oh, I think it's the rear.
This is the rear head. The ratchet looks pretty good. These bolts have almost no drag on them because they tapped everything.
Yeah. That's nice. I believe that's...
You can put the bolt in.
It was in.
I can tell.
It rattled out.
You have to actually turn the bolt to put it in. What I like is it goes in there. I have to fight it like I used to. This one's not happy. It's just still no helicoil.
It must be your helicoil.
Yeah, they just unscrewed on me. That's what I don't like about these style ratchets. Bolt's getting tight as it gets up there. That's not good. Thought we checked that. We can check that one bolt. Hard to believe Harley make all the holes the same height.
Yeah, weird.
Almost as quick as Evo.
What's that?
It's almost as quick as Evo.
Yeah.
It actually is quicker than Evo, because Evo you have to assemble the rocker box and all that crap. And it's already put together when you put the heads on these.
Oh.
I just didn't put the box in there because I got checked in the valves. The rocker arm's supposed to be checked yet. The last thing to screw with us.
Yeah.
It will.
It will.
Nipping the chrome. Maybe I can tighten this bolt that loose. That's what it goes up. It's like 64 revolution or notches for each turn.
Wow.
Something like that. 50 something, 60 something, I don't know, 80 something. Whatever, I don't know what was advertising. It was a lot. Okay, that one goes all the way in. And that one goes all the way in. Okay, where's our manifold? Lines up better now. Still off, but
Well, looky there.
the manifold's a little bit too far in, but the angle's not right. But the heads need to go out to be the correct angle, but for the fitment, the manifold's pretty close. See how the manifold's past the O-ring lip on the head?
Oh, yeah.
Even though it's not the same angle. See, it's not the same angle. See the difference in angle?
Mm-hmm.
The head should be wrinkled out, but if you did, the manifold would be way too short. That's why I rotate everything in max. And you go back if you need to. But we don't need to. As you pull the heads down, you might need to, but not right now. Now we switch over to the longer wrench. It's no small. I don't like this. Put a little torque on it. Not much. I might pull these off again, so. Alright, we're down. We checked our spark plug, it was not too bad before. Check it again, now the paint's dried. It just gets tight right now. No off. No settling. See, it's tight.
Yeah.
Not screwing around on the torque, it's just there. Which means it's just not bending things over. It's pretty even. The wash will seal that.
Perfect. Beautiful.
Not perfect, but it'll work.
Close enough for a shovelhead.
A hell of a lot better than it was. Good way off
Yep.
before. Alright. There you go. Looking like a motor. Alright, be back.